you have been cleared for landing. Please assist the flight attendants by making certain that your seat backs and tray tables are returned to their float and freight lock position and that your cabin luggage is properly stowed. If you haven't already done so, please turn off and stow larger electronic devices such as laptop computers. Just reminders that only mobile devices are permitted for use on the ground. If you are holding on any coats, glasses, or service items, please pass them to the flight attendants as they make our final cabin check. We should be on the ground shortly. Thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful evening.